Your plants don't have to be in the ground to flourish. This season, try hanging your outdoor plants, whether they are flowers, herbs or even some vegetables. Here are 15 creative ways to hang a plant out. Use glass bottles to hang your favorite garden flowers and wildflowers. Just wrap some twine or string around the bottle and hang from a tree limb. Hanging basket of flowers from your favorite garden center. Try hanging it someplace besides on a shepherd's hook this season. Depending on the type of plant and its sun requirements, These small pots are hanging from a steel rail, which is a great idea if you're short on garden space. While flowers would work well in this deck rail plant hanger space, you could also try herbs. Balcony flowers. If you have a balcony, try decorating it with a mix of flowing flowers. Baskets attached to the railing and hanging baskets with cascading flowers can create a cheery European look. Bottle planters. If you're looking to get plants started for the season, try planting them in a recycled water or soda bottle that has been cut in half, then hang them. This concept could also work for small plants such as succulents. Hanging terrarium. This hanging terrarium can be used indoors or out. Try hanging it from a corner of the porch or from a pergola. Recycled hanging pot. Try painting an old pot or even a coffee mug and hang it from the fence. This is a great way to get your kids involved in gardening as they can help paint the pots, choose the plants and plant them.